Tutorial: Configuring devices using the Command Line Interface tab. This tutorial is a demonstration on how to configure devices using the Command Line Interface tab. Click on Router 2 to open the configuration window. Click on the CLI tab to access the Cisco iOS Command Line Interface. Commands, as on a real router, can be entered here. Please refer to the help files for a list of iOS commands that are supported in Packet Tracer. Configure the gigabit 0/0 interface with the IP address 192.168.4.1. Save your configuration changes to prevent losing the changes. Use the copy and paste buttons to copy and paste text to or from the command line. Shortcut keys can also be used to copy, Control+Insert, and paste, Shift+Insert text in the CLI console and the command prompt. Close the configuration window. This ends the Configuring Devices using the CLI tab tutorial.